Okay, so today we're going to start with ordered pairs and coordinate grids. Okay, so first we need to identify what an ordered pair is. All right, so the horizontal, notice from side to side, horizontal number line on the grid is the x-axis. Okay, the horizontal number line on the grid is the x-axis. Okay, that's the first thing you need to identify. Then the next thing says the vertical number line on the grid is and it's going to be the y-axis. Now, if you notice, it looks like I spelled vertical wrong, but what I did is I made the L look like an arrow going up and down so you can see and identify vertical, up and down. So horizontal, side to side, and it's the x-axis. Vertical is up and down, and it is the y-axis. All right? Each point on the coordinate grid is described as an ordered pair of numbers. Okay? An ordered pair of numbers. All right? Now, the x-coordinate is the first number in the ordered pair. Okay, and we're gonna show you what that looks like in just a second. So the x is the first number in the ordered pair. All right. So that means the y-coordinate is the second number in the ordered pair. Okay, so if you think about it, when you're saying the alphabet, it's X, Y, Z, right? So X is first, Y is second. An ordered pair is written with parentheses. For example, X, Y. Okay, so there's my ordered pair. Okay, so that's what an ordered pair looks like. An ordered pair is written with parentheses, and you have to separate the two numbers with a comma. So in this case, I just put the letters. All right. Now, it says the x-axis and the y-axis intersect at the point 0, 0. So that is your ordered pair, 0, 0. And it is called the origin. Okay, the x and y axis intersect at the point 0, 0, called the origin. So 4, 5 is an ordered pair. Okay, so remember that means 4 is the x and 5 is the y. Okay, so to plot the ordered pair, 4, 5, you move along the x and y axis. So you start at 0, 0, which is the origin, and move across to the right on the x-axis first. So you go over first, then you go up the y-axis to plot the point. So I like to show x, y. For an ordered pair, x is first, y is second, x is over, y is up. Okay, so this is a good thing to remember. X, y, x is over, y is up. Now, this is just for 5th grade. In 6th grade, you can go left or right, but for 5th grade, all you need to know, for the x, you go over, and the y, you go up. Okay, so we'll get into 6th grade stuff at the end of the year. I'll show you it, and you'll really enjoy it. All right, so let's look at what an ordered pair in a coordinate grid looks like. So this is a coordinate grid. Okay, so we said that the horizontal number line on the grid, which is this one, is the x-axis. The vertical number line is the y-axis. So this is my x, and this is my y line. Okay, and each point that is plotted has an ordered pair that goes with it. Okay, and again, we said the x coordinate is the first number in the ordered pair, and the y is the second number in the ordered pair. Okay, all right, so let's name a few. It says, tell what point is located at each ordered pair. So the first one says 5, 8. So that's 5, 8. So again, that's x, y. So we're going to go over on the x and up to find the y. So 5, 8. So I'm going to start at 0, which is the origin. I'm going to go over to the 5, and then I'm going to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the ordered pair 5, 8 has been labeled M. Okay, 12, 2. So I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to go over to 12. And then here's 2. So I'm going to go up to 2. And that letter is P. Notice I'm not drawing lines from anything. Okay, we don't draw lines all over an coordinate grid. So 8, 7. So I'm going to go over to 8. And then you can either find 7 and see where they intersect, or you can just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the coordinate would be H. Okay, this ordered pair is named H. All right, so 12, 10. So if you go over 12 and up 10, what letter would you name this ordered pair? 12, 10. Okay, over 12, up to 10, your name should be G. Okay, 7, 7. So 7, 7. So where is the ordered pair 7, 7 located? Okay, and what letter did we name it? So start at 0, over 7, up 7, Q. So 7, 7 is Q. 0, 10. So if we're at 0, 10, that means I'm not moving anywhere on the x-axis. I'm staying right here at the 0, and all I have to do is go up to 10, which would be E. Okay, so 0 came first, so I didn't move anywhere on the x-axis. I just moved up the y-axis, so the answer is E. All right, write the ordered pairs for each given point. So let's find the point N. All right, here's N right here. So the ordered pair, I start at 0, and I go over to the 1, and then I went up 1. So the ordered pair would be 1, 1. L. So find L on the chart, or on the graph. There's L right there. So remember, we start at 0. We go over on the X to the number 4. And then we go up, and that's the number 3. So over 4, up 1, 2, 3. So the ordered pair for L is 4, 3. Okay, J. Here's J. So I start at 0. I go over to number 11. And I go up just one jump. So the ordered pair is 11, 1. Okay. A. Where's A? What ordered pair would you give A? Okay, so here's A. So I start at 0. I go over 2, and I go up to A, so 12. Over 2, and then I went up 12. So the ordered pair would be 2, 12. Okay, what about B? What's the ordered pair for B? Okay, sorry, this is supposed to be B. It didn't print. Okay, so this is B. What's the ordered pair? Okay, so you should have put 1, 9, because you start at 0, you go over 1, and up 9. 1, 9. Okay, the last one, E. What's the ordered pair for E? So find E on the chart. And you should already know it because we've already done it. There's E. You start at 0 and you go up 10. 0, 10. See, there was E right there. Okay, this one is not a question, but let's do K. What's the ordered pair for K? All right, so here's K right here on this line. So I'm going to go over 10, but I'm not going anything up on the y-axis. I'm staying right here. So this one, we went over to 10, but then we didn't go up any, so it's 10, 0. Okay, so that's plotting points. It said, let's look at plot a few of our own. It says plot the following points on the coordinate grid. 6, 11, and we're going to name it S. So I'm going to go over to 6, and I'm going to go up to where 11 is. So there's 11. So there's my point right there in the center, okay? It's on where the lines separate. It's not in the middle. It's right where those lines intersect, okay? 3, 5, and we're going to name it T. So I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to go over to 3, and then I'm going to go up. I'm going to go up on that 3 until I get to 5. So there's my point, T. Okay, one more. 9, 12, and we're going to name it U. So again, I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to go over to the 9, and then I'm going to go up on that 9 all the way till I get to 12. Well, there's 12 right there. So there's my point. There's where 9 and 12 intersect each other. We're going to label it U. Okay, so this is ordered pairs. There is an assignment that's going to go in. Try it. It's just practice. It is just like this, except it's pictures. So you're labeling where the pictures are. Okay, so remember, X and then Y. You go over on the X and up on the Y. Okay, your ordered pairs should always have parentheses and a comma in between. All right, good luck.